this problem you just have to face. Oh, if you just put your hand in mine, we're gonna leave all our troubles behind. We're gonna walk and don't look back. Gonna walk and don't look back. Now if your first lover let you down, there's something that can't be done. Tell her what to do, bro. Don't hear your faith in love, remembering what become. Oh no. So if you just put your hand in mine, we're gonna leave all our troubles behind. Gonna walk, don't look back. We're gonna walk and don't look back. Places behind you there to remind you love that you're running from. There's no hiding place. So what you gonna do? It's just your problem and no one else's problem that you have to face. So if you just put your hand in mine, we're gonna leave all our troubles behind. We're gonna walk and don't look back. We're gonna walk and don't look back. If you just put your hand in mine, we're gonna leave all our troubles behind. We're gonna walk and don't look back. Keep on walking, gonna walk and don't look back. Places behind you, there to remind you. If your first lover broke your heart, something can be done. Don't hear your faith in love, remember what's been lost. But if you just put your hand in mine, we're gonna leave all our troubles behind. Gonna walk and don't look back. Gonna walk and don't look back. Places behind you there to remind you. We're gonna walk and don't look back. Places behind you there to remind you. We're gonna walk and don't look back. Gonna walk and don't look back. We gotta walk and don't look back. Got to walk and don't look back. Keep on walking and don't look back. Got to walk and don't look back. Walk and don't look back. Got to walk and don't look back. How far you been walking, man? 100 miles. Just to walk. You still got some more to walk, man. I know, got a long way to go. I'm getting kind of tired, but I got to keep on walking. I'm walking barefoot. You know. Keep on walking. We got to walk.